Hey everyone, welcome back. You're listening to our English Practice Podcast, where we talk about real life in English, slowly, clearly, and naturally. I'm Jolie, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Nathan. Thanks for pressing play. Seriously, that already means you care about your English, and that's a big step. Today we're talking about something very simple, but very useful.
Yes, we're talking about mornings. Busy mornings, slow mornings, happy mornings, tired mornings. Because guess what? Everyone asks this question, what do you do in the morning?
And many students answer like this. I wake up, I eat, I go to work. Very short, very fast, and a little boring.
Exactly. So today, we'll show you how to talk about your morning in English in a more natural way. Not like a textbook, but like you're chatting with a friend.
Before we start, quick favor. If you enjoy practicing English with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us continue making these episodes for you.
And if you're ready, take a deep breath, relax, and let's talk about mornings.
Okay, Jolie, let me ask you something simple. What time do you usually wake up?
On weekdays, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I don't jump out of bed right away, though. I stay under my blanket for maybe 5 more minutes. I check my phone, I look at the weather, I slowly wake up.
That's already better than just saying, I wake up at 6:30, right? You added small details. Stay under my blanket, check my phone, slowly wake up.
Yes, small details make your English more interesting. You don't need difficult grammar, just add feelings and actions.
For example, I wake up at 7, but the truth is, I press the snooze button 2 times, sometimes 3. My alarm rings and I say, 5 more minutes. Do you do that, Jolie?
Oh yes, the snooze button is dangerous.
So listeners, here's your first practice. Listen again. I wake up at 7, but I press the snooze button twice. Now you say it. Change the time. Good job.
After I get out of bed, I go straight to the kitchen. I don't talk to anyone before coffee. Coffee is my first priority.
That's an important word, priority. It means something very important.
Yes, coffee is my morning priority. I make a simple cup of black coffee, and sometimes I toast a piece of bread. If I'm very hungry, I add an egg.
That sounds nice. My breakfast is even quicker. I usually grab a banana. Sometimes I eat it while standing. Not very fancy.
But that's real-life English. I grab a banana. That sounds natural.
Let's repeat some useful phrases. I wake up at. I press the snooze button. I get out of bed. I make coffee. I grab a quick breakfast. Say them with us. Great, you're improving already.
Okay, Nathan, be honest. Have you ever had a terrible morning?
Oh yes, last week actually. I woke up late because my alarm didn't ring. I looked at the clock and thought, oh no, I had 10 minutes to get ready.
That feeling is the worst. What did you do?
I moved very fast. I brushed my teeth while thinking about my meeting. I couldn't find my keys. I checked my bag 3 times. Finally, I found them in my jacket pocket.
That's such a real situation. See how Nathan tells the story? He doesn't say, I was late. He explains the small actions.
Exactly. When you tell a story, add small problems. That makes your English alive.
I had a similar morning once. I spilled coffee on my shirt right before leaving the house, so I had to change clothes. Then I felt stressed the whole morning.
Spilled coffee. Very useful phrase.
Yes, try saying, I spilled coffee on my shirt. Go ahead. Nice.
Okay, not all mornings are stressful. What about weekends?
Oh, weekends are different. On Saturday, I wake up without an alarm. That feels amazing. I stretch, I open the window, I let fresh air into the room.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. Then I make a bigger breakfast. Maybe pancakes, maybe fruit. I sit at the table and eat slowly, no rush.
I love that phrase, no rush. It means you're not in a hurry.
Yes, weekend mornings have no rush.
On Sundays, I sometimes go for a short walk in the morning. The streets are quiet, people walk their dogs, the air feels fresh. It helps me clear my mind.
Clear my mind, that's a great expression. It means you relax and think clearly.
Okay, listeners, quick challenge. We're going to say a short morning story. Just listen first.
On weekdays, I wake up at 6:30. I press snooze once. I make coffee and eat a quick breakfast. Sometimes I feel tired, but I try to stay positive.
Now let's break it down. What time? 6:30. What action? Press snooze. Food? Quick breakfast. Feeling? Tired but positive.
Now you try. Talk about your morning for 20 seconds. Don't stop, even if it's simple. You can do it.
Today we practice talking about mornings in English. Not just I wake up, but real details.
We learned phrases like press the snooze button, grab a quick breakfast, spill coffee, no rush, clear my mind.
Remember, English is not about perfect grammar. It's about sharing small moments from your life.
Yes, your life is already interesting. You just need the words.
Before we go, here's our question for you. What time do you wake up, and what is the first thing you do?
Tell us in the comments, in English. Even 1 or 2 sentences is great practice.
And if you listened until the end, write morning person in the comments so we know you're here.
You're doing amazing. Keep practicing a little every day.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Take care, and don't forget to set your alarm. Bye.